Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Kia Soul headlight. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H11. Ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down. Then, open the hood and locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. This preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. You'll see 2 or 3 retaining screws holding the headlight assembly in place. Carefully remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This creates enough room to reach behind it. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the old bulb and carefully disconnect it. With the assembly pulled forward, you can now replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb counterclockwise to unlock and remove it from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it's securely seated. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector firmly. To finish up, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position. Make sure it aligns properly before reinserting and tightening the 2 or 3 retaining screws you removed earlier. Once everything is secure, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to ensure it's working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.